Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Eto na naman si Mang Kulitan at alam nyo ba kung nasaan tayo papunta ngayon? We are here in Davao City to visit the former President of the Philippines, His Excellency Rodrigo Roa Duterte.
Okay lang.
Pwede po ba yun?
O diba, ang saya-saya ni Joy Powers, ni Mason's World at ni Yayay Casey? Because we're visiting President Duterte.
Hindi pa rin nabubuksan.
Sir?
Pwede daw? Okay.
Good afternoon,
Dahil buksan mo to.
sir. Hi, sir.
Sir, good afternoon po.
President Duterte is very kind,
Mabuhay ka, kaya mo yan.
accommodating, and the usual friendly guy. Sa sobrang down-to-earth niya, hindi mo man lang mararamdaman na siya pala ay dating presidente ng Pilipinas. Mafe-feel mo talaga na special ka din. Kaya the best talaga si Tatay Digong. Watch out for the next part, guys!